Hi guys and welcome to Content FC. We have got a FC25 Division Rivals rewards and pack opening. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bald at 1 million subscribers, the choice is yours. I only got to Division 3 despite being a couple wins off the next division, but oh my days. The amount of 5 back rats and pay-to wins I keep on matching up against is absurd. And the thing is, my team is awful compared to these pay-to-win teams with Mbappe and Van Dijk. Hopefully AI Sports bless me up because my team ain't going to handle these rats. I pretty much dominate most games and green time nearly all of my shots, yet they somehow keep missing. And the thing is, my opponents score rebounds and then drop back for the rest of the game. Enough of the rant, but the game is getting more pay to win than skill to win. And another thing, AI Sports, why haven't I got all my preseason rewards? They gave me 1 pack out of all of them. This game just loves to screw you over sometimes. Now, enjoy the rest of this pack opening and this green time goals compilation.